My dogs are totally afraid of the vacuum. I mean, it's not like I chase them around with it. Often.
Are you tired of lugging a huge vacuum up and down stairs or messing with a cord, but cordless vacuums just don't live up to the hype, or they're too bulky or too expensive or too big? I've got a solution for you. So stay tuned and let's do this. Hi, my name is Heather. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. And if you are not new here, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it so much. But if you are new, please consider subscribing. And when you do, click that bell so that you're notified of all future videos, which I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And it's all about life, food, family, makeup, parenting tips, product reviews, all that stuff. So be sure and subscribe and join the family. Okay, so let's get into today's video. So about 8 months ago, I watched a video on someone who had posted about having a small apartment and just wanting a vacuum that was not huge. And I have had multiple vacuums that are cordless or little handhelds or just things that I would like just for my kitchen, for everyday use, for my hardwood floors, because I have 2 dogs that shed. And one of my dogs only sheds once a year, but it's for 365 days. I've never met a dog that sheds so much in all of my life. I don't know how he's not bald. But nonetheless, that means lots of hair on our hardwood floors and tile floors downstairs, and we also have stairs. And so for big heavy duty jobs, we do have a big, huge vacuum, which is huge. And it has a retractable cord and I love it, but just for everyday use, or if you're in an apartment or a dorm room, or you just want something to clean up dog hair, I love this vacuum. So I'm gonna take you down and show you what it is and how it works, and then I'll meet you back here. Okay, this is the Hoover Linx Cordless Vacuum. It's an upright vacuum. It's bagless. It just has a canister that you can empty out every time you vacuum. Super lightweight. Comes with a battery that comes out like this. And then once you take that out, there's a charging station where you can just charge it like this. So you pull it out of here, stick it in your vacuum, and you're ready to go. But really, it's October right now, so all the dust and grime just looks like Halloween decorations, right? It also does work on carpet. And then when you're done, just pull it out of here, push this button here, empty out stuff, and stick it back in, charge it up, and you're ready to go again. So guys, this is a great vacuum. I have had this now for 8 months. I've tried it out, I've tested it out, I've used it. The only drawback that I don't like about it is that the battery doesn't last all that long. So I do end up pulling it out of the vacuum and sticking it on the charger after every use, just to make sure that I'm not gonna run out. I would say it would work for about 20 minutes, which is enough to do everything you need, but definitely make sure that you are charging it in between each use. Otherwise, I've had no issues with it at all. I love it. It works great. There's no cord. It's affordable. It's small and compact. It's lightweight. I can do it on my stairs. Now, if it's, it doesn't have a detachable hose or anything to get in little crevices, it's really just for some everyday cleanup. But to not have to lug out that huge vacuum for all of that, I love it. I love this vacuum, and I think it's a great purchase. So I'm gonna throw a link in the description box below to Amazon where you can pick one up if you're interested in getting one. And otherwise, I hope you are having a great day. Until next time, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, ladies.